The Caterpillar pickup truck is not just another pickup, it is a statement of power, precision, and unmatched engineering. From the very first glance on American city streets, this truck commands attention. Its bold, industrial-inspired design, combined with muscular body lines and an aggressive stance, makes it impossible to ignore. Driving through downtown streets, surrounded by skyscrapers and wide urban roads, the Caterpillar pickup instantly communicates strength and capability, showing that it is built not only for the worksite but also for the streets where American drivers live and work every day. As the truck moves into suburban neighborhoods, the Caterpillar pickup continues to impress. Clean residential streets lined with single-family homes and green trees serve as the perfect backdrop to highlight the truck's presence. Its rugged yet refined design blends seamlessly into everyday life, turning heads in quiet neighborhoods and demonstrating that durability and style can coexist effortlessly. Even when maneuvering through parking lots near busy shopping malls, the truck's confident proportions, wide stance, and commanding presence make it impossible to go unnoticed. The spacious bed, large tires, and construction-inspired detailing ensure that it looks purposeful wherever it goes, from errands to weekend adventures. On American highways, the Caterpillar pickup comes alive. Its high-torque heavy-duty engine delivers smooth, controlled acceleration, making long stretches of freeway driving effortless. The truck's suspension and handling are perfectly tuned to handle the speed and curves of open roads, giving drivers both confidence and comfort. Acceleration is immediate yet stable, demonstrating that this is a pickup capable of performing in any driving scenario. Whether passing other vehicles or cruising at highway speeds, the Caterpillar pickup maintains poise and control, offering a driving experience that feels both powerful and refined. Stepping inside the cabin, the Caterpillar pickup continues to impress. The interior is designed for serious drivers, combining industrial-inspired aesthetics with premium materials. A fully digital dashboard and infotainment screen place all controls within easy reach, creating a command center feel for the driver. Ergonomically designed seats offer support for long drives, while the high-quality trim and clean layout ensure the cabin feels professional and purposeful. Even passengers in the rear enjoy ample legroom, headroom, and comfort, making this truck not just a driver's machine but a family-friendly vehicle for everyday American life. The front seats are designed for both comfort and long-distance support. Wide cushions, firm bolstering, and adjustable lumbar support make even extended road trips effortless. The driver sits in a commanding position with excellent visibility of the road, while controls and displays remain easily accessible. Even passengers in the front enjoy generous space, soft touch surfaces, and a sense of security that makes every drive enjoyable. In the rear cabin, passengers benefit from roomy legroom and headroom, along with well-designed seats that provide comfort for daily commutes or family trips. Convenient USB charging ports, cup holders, and rear air vents enhance usability and make the Caterpillar pickup a practical vehicle for everyone inside. Cabin storage is thoughtfully laid out, with large door pockets, center console compartments, and additional hidden spaces to stow gear securely. The front trunk, and cargo bed complement the interior practicality, ensuring that the truck can handle both work tools and personal belongings. The materials and finishes are built to withstand heavy use without sacrificing style. Durable stitching, high-quality trims, and textured surfaces give the cabin a tough yet modern look, perfect for a truck that's designed to perform in urban streets, highways, or rugged terrain. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch during evening drives, creating a cozy, high-tech atmosphere without being distracting. Noise insulation is another key feature. The fully electric 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck offers a quiet and refined cabin, free from engine noise or vibrations, making highway drives and city commutes peaceful and stress-free. The combination of premium materials, advanced engineering, and thoughtful layout ensures that drivers and passengers alike feel in control, comfortable, and confident. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck is built to perform at a level few trucks can match. Under the hood, its high-torque, heavy-duty engine delivers power instantly, making acceleration smooth yet ferociously strong. Despite its large frame, the truck responds with precision, offering an experience that feels both commanding and controlled. Whether navigating tight city streets, open highways, or suburban roads, the Caterpillar pickup's suspension and drivetrain provide remarkable stability, absorbing bumps and handling corners with confidence. Off-road, the Caterpillar pickup truly shines. Its advanced suspension system, reinforced chassis, and durable tires allow it to conquer rugged terrain. From towing heavy loads to hauling cargo in the bed, this truck demonstrates strength, endurance, and reliability at every turn. Every detail from steering feedback to acceleration curves has been engineered to deliver both performance and comfort, whether you are on city streets or exploring the toughest off-road trails. Towing and payload capacity are equally impressive. The Caterpillar pickup handles heavy trailers and cargo effortlessly, thanks to its reinforced frame and high-torque engine. Acceleration remains smooth under load, while braking and stability systems provide maximum control. Even during steep downhill descents, the truck's engine braking and traction management work seamlessly, maintaining safety and control. Every aspect of the truck's performance, from throttle response to steering feedback, has been engineered for precision and reliability. Whether it's hauling, towing, highway driving, or tackling extreme off-road trails, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck offers a combination of power, durability, and confidence that few trucks in its class can match. It is not just a truck, it is a machine built to dominate any challenge. In conclusion, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck is more than just a vehicle. It is a statement of strength, innovation, and versatility.